Another project I can check off. Not completely done, but pretty much. Anybody that's watched my other videos saw the trommel I built. Scale trommel. This is a brooder container. It's an overseas shipping container. And it is now powerhouse. These gear reduction motors have roughly the same draw as the trommel, so this one I used in my mock-up for the trommel itself, this one for the vibrator on the hopper. I'll show you what I did here. That unassuming container actually has two 8-amp-hour lead acid batteries, so that's 16,000 milliamp hour of battery. It has a I'm brain dead for a minute. Battery backup, so the thing can actually be run off of AC power, giving me a solid 12-volt output and keeping the batteries maintained. Or if I'm working in an area that I don't have option of using AC power, then the plant has the 16,000 milliamp hours worth of battery, and then the whole container can be taken to where there is power, and it'll recharge itself. So enough said, let's take a look at what I got here. I've actually got a horn. Just like in the real world, there's gonna be a horn sound before the plant starts. So here we go. And the trommel is on full power. I've got 4 different power systems coming out of this unit, and we got 2 switched, a constant power. That was the main board, and then this has a reversible channel for that. It'll probably end up being the one that drives the conveyor belt, so I can reverse it, but it also has a potentiometer, so I can adjust the vibrator speed. Or not run the vibrator if it's not needed. So makes it pretty nice, I think. The AC cord coming out. I don't have the top all the way on yet, so I'll pop this off and let you see what's inside. Like I said, it's not completely done, but concept is all there. A DC on this side would be an XT60 at 25 amp, and the rest will be XT30s coming out. It's not all set up yet. That's all just test wiring, but this is good to go. So the AC power coming in. Green light means that it's on AC power. So we unplug the whole unit. Yellow light means that it went to battery backup. If I leave the alarm on, it'll beep at me about every 30 seconds. I can turn it off. Got an error light and if the green light's on and that light's on, that means I've got a battery issue. If I got a red light, I've got a completely dead battery. So between the 3 lights, I know what the system's doing. And there's my batteries. This whole thing basically is a battery backup for like a home router for your computer, Wi-Fi system battery backup for power outage. Of course, I doubled the battery power of what it normally has. I got room in here for 16,000 more, but that's just too much weight for this little plastic container. Those batteries aren't light. I wanted this thing to be able to be picked up with the loader, the hydraulic loader, and moved around the job site. So, pretty pleased with how it's coming along. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.